play with toys. Instead of going to church, I decided to play on Sunday. Now that I think about it, I think I used my free will in a wrong way. Hello, my name is Sarah. Today I'll talk about how to use free will wisely. Have you ever heard about free will? Free will is the power of the soul to choose God. If then, my question is how to use free will wisely. Before we get started, let me share one example from a book. I want to introduce one book, The Giver. Jonas, who is the main character in The Giver, crosses the marine line so that everyone could have experience of this world. I think he's using free will wisely. Now let's talk about 3 ways to use free will wisely in a real life situation. First, we have to know we are God's creation and God is our creator. Some people say, I don't need God, I don't have to believe in God. If people don't believe in God, people will follow world naturally with their sinful nature. For example, some people love money more than God. So people will get worse and sinful. God hates sin, so we have to know God created us so that we can use our free will to choose God. Second, we have to find what God has planned for me. If you live without God's plan, you may choose wrong and you will think, what am I living for? But if you live with God's plan, you will try to follow God's plan. Then you can use your free will to choose God. So how can you find God's plan? We have to pray, we have to listen carefully to service, and read Bible carefully. Then you will find God's plan for me. Last, we have to ask God before we act. If you live as one, you may follow Satan and the world. But if you live with God's plan, you will love God. For example, you have to ask God where to go university. Then you will have more good score. When God told everyone to move to a new place, everyone followed. On the other side, King Saul didn't follow God's word to destroy Amalek completely. We have to do only what God likes, so we must ask God before we act. In conclusion, it is hard to use your free will wisely. But if we use our free will wisely, we can go on to perfection. Let's go perfection and be God's bride. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.